We've all been there. You assure a customer you'll be right back with the part they need, only to discover, after sifting through the countless replacement parts in your van, that it's nowhere to be found. Now you're faced with another run to the supply house, hoping they have what you need in stock. Well, with Resideo's universal parts portfolio, life just got a little simpler. With just a few universal parts, you can replace hundreds of OEM components, helping you cut down on inventory, save space, and keep the essentials right where you need them. From furnace boards to ignition modules, each Resideo part is made to handle multiple jobs, meaning fewer supply runs, faster fixes, and more time to finish projects. And with the Resideo Pro app, your job just got even easier. Quickly find compatible parts, view full specifications, and access additional resources from anywhere, even without internet access. So you're always equipped with the right part at the right time. Ready to upgrade your toolkit? Download the free Resideo Pro app today and discover how our universal parts portfolio can help lighten your load and boost your bottom line.